So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want your PowerPoint animation to play a sound effect, here's how to add one in just a few clicks. So firstly, select the text or object you want to animate. Then go to Animations and choose the animation effect. Go to Animations, then Animation pane, and find your animation, click the down arrow and select Effect Options. In the Effects tab, find the Sound drop-down. Choose one of PowerPoint's built-in sound effects, and if you want to use a custom sound, select All Sound and choose an audio file from your computer. Just click OK to save the effect, and now your animation will play with the sound effect you selected. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.